how to do a product launch or sell a product that's already on Warrior Plus, JVZoo and ClickBank. I'm going to show you how you actually go into Warrior Plus and choose a product. You sign in and you go to offers. Okay. Then you can have a look at the new ones. That's quite a good one. I really like that one. But loops is a good one as well. But I want to show you my own product, which is called Magnetic. So if you know the name, you can actually search for the product. Okay. So Magnetic by Freedom Life 2 is my offer. So if you want to request permission, I'm not going to request permission, I'm going to show you what to write. You have to request approval and you have to say, I would like to promote your products on my YouTube channel, in my Facebook group, and to my email list. If you don't put anything there, you will not get accepted. Okay, and if you, so I'm not going to do that, but if you actually put some information about yourself and your photo in and your Facebook ID, you've got more chances of getting accepted. Okay, so if go back to the offers. So if you want to get your link, for example, all you have to do is get that link there. Okay, then you can promote it. So if you save that somewhere like Evernote, that's great. So what is the first step to building a funnel? Right, I'm going to show you where there is lots of things that you can get that are already done. If you haven't got a clue how to build a capture page, what is a link, where to put it on the button, which button to press. This is, if you go into the info product funnels, I've downloaded this funnel and here it is. So it's got 3 pages. Now, if you remember, there is the email capture page or landing page. There's the pending subscription and the thank you page. So all you need to do is edit the page to the offer that you're promoting today. I'm going to show you how easy it is just to change a few words. So always remember, it's got to be discover this one secret hack to X, Y, and Z. Okay, so this one happened to be rank your websites on Google and obviously get sales. So you get rid of that. Right. Once that comes up, you can actually edit it. Look, press the button and you can edit it. Okay. So discover this actually, so it's this amazing secret hack. So it's just like editing a document. Okay, if you want to change the picture, all you do is change the image, upload it from your computer, if you've got some in here, click one of those and press select file, for example, that one, and save it and it'll change. But I actually don't want to do that because it's a live funnel. So that's that bit. So this bit here, you can change as well. So if you want to change the headline on the button there, see, easy, okay. Then if you have to have a list where your emails are going to go. So you set the list, which I'll show you more about this on the next video. So don't worry yourselves about that. Normally it's the last one that you get, the made there. So you save it. Okay. Then you have to set the link. So where does this, when they click the button, what do you want them to see next? So what you do is you set your link. So you set your link. So the next page is the pending page. Pending page. This is so easy. And that one would be the thank you page, for example. Or if it's straight to your link, your sales page, you put it there. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So that's how you set up your capture page, and I'll show you the emails on the next video. If you liked this tutorial on Builderall, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications button, and leave me a comment on what great value I'm giving you. See you on the next video, guys. And if you want to get magnetic or promote magnetic, you know how to do it. But if you want to buy it, click the link below.